Shell.
Shell.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Shell.
Shell.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Shell.
Shell.
Starfish.
Starfish. Shell.
Shell. Okay. The answer is shell. The spelling of shell is S
S
H
H
E
E
double L.
L L.
The spelling of starfish is STAR
STAR
FISH.
FISH.
Very good. This is frog and turtle. Frog and turtle. Frog and turtle. You have to tell what comes next.
Frog.
Frog. Very good. The spelling of frog is
F
FROG.
R O G.
Frog.
Frog.
Spelling of turtle is TUR
TUR
TLE.
TLE. Turtle.
Very good. This is tree, coconut, and tree,
Tree.
and coconut,
Coconut.
and tree, and coconut. What comes next?
Tree.
Very good. It is tree. The spelling of tree is
T
TREE.
R E E.
Very good. What is the spelling of coconut? COCONUT.
Coconut.
Coconut. Seahorse. Ship.
Seahorse.
Ship.
Ship.
Seahorse.
Seahorse.
Ship.
Ship. Seahorse.
Ship.
Ship.
What comes next?
Seahorse.
The correct answer is seahorse. Very good. The spelling of seahorse is SEAHORSE.
SEAHORSE. Seahorse.
Seahorse. What is the spelling of boat? BOAT.
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 Very good. Hat.
Hat.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Hat.
Hat.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Hat.
Hat.
And cupcake.
Cupcake.
What comes next?
Hat.
Hat. Very good. What is the spelling of hat?
HAT.
HAT. Hat. What is the spelling of cupcake? CUPCAKE.
CUPCAKE. Cupcake.
Very good. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe